Good morning, it is absolutely freezing here. We're at Canary Wharf, just up there. Got Yorkie Lucy, she's got her big winter coat on. And we literally came off down that way, West Ferry Road, West Ferry DLR. And just we're going to investigate, see if we can find any hidden little charms, museums. You've got the Salvation Army here. These. Don't forget these. This used to be the Limehouse Basin around here where all the coal used to get delivered. And these are all probably old seamen's properties. Old dockers used to live. These old Victorian train railway bridges down here. I've never walked here. Obviously I've passed by here, but not literally these back streets. Obviously we're on the path of the London City Airport here as well. Hey, looky Lucy, say hello. Hey, she's got her furry coat on. These buildings on the right are new. These ones on the left, they look like dockers buildings. Open it a bit wide. That's the Limehouse Tunnel by Canary Wharf. Big hotel in front of us. Canary Riverside Hotel. I remember this being built, took ages. Yeah. That hotel is Canary Riverside Plaza Hotel. I think you can either enter it through this underpass at West Ferry Road, and that's where we are. There you go. Ta-da! It's an even bigger one there, guys. We'll have a little explore around here, so don't worry, we will never, me and you will never see this. This is what's coming here soon. We are literally Hartsmere Road, I think, and that's Cannon Workshops in there. Let's go and have a look. Obviously developing something here. Let's have a walk. Lucy's for the minute. Nancy. Well, we were supposed to be having some snow day, so hopefully we'll be in by then. We don't want to be caught out in the snow, Lucy, do we? This is the Cannon Workshops here. I can't remember, there's a history about this place. Can't really remember what it's all about. It's quite historic. Big workshop. I've been in here quite a few times, deliveries in my youth. Okay, big plaque there, guys. Right, I remember what used to be here. That's what, you know, that picture I just showed you about this with the swimming pool. There used to be a huge building here, and I used to remember Lloyd's Bank used to be here as well. They've knocked a huge building over really to build probably something spectacular. I hope so. So we got the London Museum there, Docklands. Awesome. Get yourself a lager deal here, guys. $2.99. So for a pint, yeah, $2.99 for a pint. That's good for around here. Really good. Yourself a nice breakfast. Tea and toast, $2.49. Not bad, not bad. With a bit of toast, not bad. And butter, jam, marmalade. Yeah, literally right next door to the London Museum, Docklands. So it looks quite nice in there, actually. Awesome. Just literally right across from the Cannon Workshops. I bet you get loads of staff coming from there who work at the Cannon Workshops. Hey Lucy, you want to go in there, Lucy? Yeah. She wants a pint, don't you, Lucy? Yeah. Yeah, literally right next door to the London Museum, Docklands. The old Canary Wharf is right next to us here. Got a big, what is it? I don't know if that's a... I think it's just a buoy for the sea. Could be a mine, I don't know. Anybody know? Leave it in the comment. Whoa, I think it's closed. No, it's open, but look, people going in. Don't say nothing about dogs. I see no cycles. But when we get a bit closer, there'll be no dogs. Right. It's free, it says free. You can come in here, it's free, guys. You can bring your kids. It's supposed to be a lot of the dark side, what happened in the docks here in the olden days. It's great stuff in here. Bit of history. Yeah, there you go, that's the opening time, guys. Free admission, donation accepted. Yeah. Right, wet floor. There's nothing to say about any dogs. Right, let's go in. Yeah, unfortunately, would have loved to have gone in there. Lucy's not allowed in. It doesn't say anything here about dogs, but it's due to their discretion, I suppose. So I would have loved to see it. It looks nice in there, really, guys. It really does. Sorry, Lucy. See, this is the stuff we've got to put up with. But you're worth it. You're a little diamond. Anyway, he was a little bit of a meanie, really. Little guy, you know. So anyway, let's have a look at these big boats. There's a plaque there. I like looking at these plaques. Give you a bit of a story about the docks. I suppose this is where all the coal came, and they're all from East India. The big ships from East India delivering sugar and stuff like that, sugar cane. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately we're not cut out for the city life, Lucy. We get banned from here and everywhere. Oh, I feel so sorry for animals. It's okay, they'll get their turn. I really believe in that. Everybody gets a turn. Oh. Yeah, those little pods, steam pods, look. You get them, they run on sort of like coal, I think. Look like on steam. Got their little chimneys on there. That's a bubble one that's been broken up. That's becoming a nice little walk, isn't it, really? Hey, Lucy. Nice little boats. Oh. Imagine living on one of these boats, Lucy. Would you like it? No, she likes the field, don't you? Nice bit of land, Daddy gonna get you a bit of land. Yeah, we're gonna try and get out, really. We need a second home for the half of the year, don't we, Lucy? We don't need to be here in the winter. Too miserable. Oh dear. What can we do, eh? It is cold, my nose is cold. My ear holes are alright. This hat is really, really warm. But when you're on the underground, it makes you sweat a little bit. The underground's terrible hot. These little restaurants here behind me, they look nice. I don't know how much it is to hire these bubble boats, really. There used to be all the old warehouses, didn't they? Around there for storing tea, anything from West India, tea, sugar cane, cotton, I suppose, maybe, I don't know. Did that come from West India, cotton? We noticed they're starting to make these bubbles are becoming quite popular now for the winter, and they put the heating on there, so keep you warm while you're outside. You can look outside and appreciate. What do you think, guys? I like it. It's quite nice. Pating, pating. Ooh. That looks must have a good. That looks pretty. What a lovely table. You can have a little Christmas party for your family. Your kid, mum and dad, grandma, granddad. Oh, very nice. All these lights. Beautiful. Let's have a look. Let's have a gander at the old menu. Not bad, really. Not bad at all.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, let's go. Look. Wow.
Wow, Lucy, look. A selfie thumbnail. Very nice. Very nice restaurant. Oh, they even do you blankets here. You can put a blanket over you while you're having something to eat if you're feeling really cold. Like, I think it was minus when we came out. It was 0 or 1 when me and Lucy came out, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, cold. And obviously the snow's supposed to be coming. Yeah, it's supposed to be coming today, maybe a bit later on in the evening when the temperature drops. But there's quite a bit of moisture in the air, so that might clash with the freezing temperature, and we have this snow. So no, Lucy's absolutely loving the old sniffing. Yeah. We'll walk over the bridge in a minute. Lovely little boat. Yeah. Canary yacht. There we have. Maybe they're going to open that into some sort of bar, restaurant. It's got a couple of decks up there, 2 or 3 decks. One down there, up there, and up there. So I think it's going to be a new project by the looks. You can spring 25. If you want, you can, I suppose you can have parties on there. Schwadi's code up there. Yeah. Right. I think Lucy's had enough. Have you had enough, darling? You cold? Yeah, she's cold. Shall we start going home? Yeah. Right guys, we're on our way home now. It's quite a nice place to come and visit. Loads of restaurants. Places to walk, even for a walk. You can either come off at Canary Wharf, Lime, Popular, or West Ferry, DLR. Yeah, I think it's time. I think Lucy's getting cold now. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, guys, leave a like, and or even better, subscribe or comment. Really helps the channel. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for watching from me and Lucy. As you can see, Lucy's cold. So literally, we're going to jump on the train and head home. It's only a few stops away. Anyway, have a good one. Catch you soon.